this demonstration, I'm going to talk about our rostering capabilities. We have the ability for employees to clock in and clock out using their mobile phone or using an iPad in a location, at a depot or a specific location or site. But also, we have roster capabilities and full roster management and here, so there's no limit to shift patterns or work patterns. These patterns are in turn combined to create rosters or shifts, which are date effective and can be assigned to groups of employees. New shift patterns can be added as required, which can again be date effective and planned as far and advanced as desired. Now, the system is parameter driven to accommodate a large variety of schedules and shifts. Examples would include, but not limited to full-time, job sharing, split weeks, weekend workers, shift workers, and flexi-time. There's also cyclical patterns in here, so 4-on-4 off-shift functionality. Again, it's all about having the right individual in the right place at the right time. And this is a great view for managers to see their members of staff, where they're working, what they're due to be working, as well as against their contracted hours. And you'll notice we can start to apply hours or costs to those budgets and planned values across our roster dashboard. There's also things in here like validation rules as well. So when thinking about gaps in the roster or rota itself, we can assign those to groups of employees, or we can run them through our validation rules. So it's bringing in those that have the correct qualifications, maybe first aid trained, maybe a key card holder, etc. And it's going to look at those rules against that employee to select the most suitable. So you've got the right skills for the right person at the right time in the right departments and places across your organisation. Any hours that are captured in part of our workforce management module are going to feed into our payroll module as a seamless experience in here, as PeopleXD is a unified solution across all of the modules. WFM Timesheet Management is the recording of timesheet and attendance records for transfer to PeopleXD payroll in order to pay employees submitted time. The solution supports user-defined calendars and employee timesheet processes, such as view timesheet, add timesheet, delete timesheet, update timesheet. The solution also supports manager timesheet processes, such as approval and rejection of timesheets. In addition to this, managers can also view, add, delete, and update timesheets. A manager can also sign off timesheets by quick jumping and searching for sign-off hours. The administrator timesheet process includes the transfer of timesheets to PeopleXD payroll. This can be accessed by quick jumping and searching for generate timesheets. The Kiosk Clocking app from PeopleXD allows businesses to use Android or Apple tablets to collect time and attendance information for their employees. Key benefits that the Kiosk Clocking app provide is that it works anywhere. There is no special equipment needed and there is no third-party integration required. All of the setup can be managed by yourself through the PeopleXD application. Employees can clock in and out from a shared tablet. Employees can select their name and/or ID from the list, which appears on screen. Administrators can give employees access to this view, or, alternatively, they can just enter their badge number. Badge numbers are assigned from within the PeopleXD solution. Our employee here will enter their badge number, followed by their own personal PIN, which they can set through the PeopleXD application. The option to clock in will be the first movement of the day. Alternatively, the employee can select their name and ID and enter their PIN, as this is our employee's second movement. You can see that the only option available is to clock out. This quick setup and easy-to-use solution means that tablets can be placed in strategic locations around your business. To ensure employees are where they should be when clocking, your administrators can fully maintain secure PIN control, along with settings such as PIN length, maximum fail attempts, and auto logout. There is real-time monitoring and alerting where devices are offline. And as there is no third-party integration required, this means joiners and leavers are automatically included and excluded, along with the optional configuration to restrict employees to predefined tablets.